Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add user in n8n. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the official n8n website. After you've logged in, look for your three dots icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, navigate to the Settings option. Within the Settings panel, you'll find a variety of tools and controls for managing your account and workspace. Since we're focused on adding users, go ahead and select the Users option from the list. This will bring you to the section where you manage who has access to your n8n instance. On the Users page, locate the Invite button and click on it. Once clicked, a field will appear where you can input the email address of the person you'd like to add. Make sure to double-check the email address for accuracy. This is the address where the invitation will be sent, and typos can prevent delivery. After entering the correct email, click the Invite User button. This sends an email invitation to the address you specified, officially starting the process of adding the new user to your n8n environment. The recipient will receive an email containing a special link, which they must click to join your instance. Once they follow the on-screen instructions, they'll be added to your workspace and ready to collaborate. And that's it. So that is how you can add user in n8n. So that's all for this video. Thanks.